Yeah, I've never gone that far back here. It's super windy today. So I thought if I come back here, maybe it won't be so bad. A little bitty creek. I'm just trying to find a deep spot. Yeah, I've never gone this far back here. It's kind of cool. Right. Now we got something that might actually work. I don't know about this. Those leaves and stuff. And this, oh gosh, very shallow. Very, very shallow. Way to catch a stick on your first cast, dude. It landed on top of the stick. That's a good looking little bait, man. Oh gosh. Looks good under the water. Alright. Yeah, this laser done me no favors. Oh. Oh no! Oh man. It's so windy. Oh, it's up there. Alright, man. I got something. I got it. He's trying to get it. Well, he's fighting on it. It's a little one. I think I got him. I think I got him. Yeah, I got him. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. What is up? All right. Wacky worm. Little bass. Come here. I can't get a hold of you. Look at that little guy. All right. Hope you can see it. It's a little bitty sucker, isn't he cute? Alright, little dude. Sweet. So we can get another one. Yeah, this one sinks a lot slower. I have to go slower with this one. It's floating on a leaf. Yeah, little fish just swiped at it. I just don't know. These branches are just falling in here. Just trying to scare away my fish. Isn't that cute? Alright, right over there. Son of a gun. You can't get home. Catch a fish, then I'm gonna put it in my pocket, and I'm gonna forget about it, and the wife's gonna get mad, cause she washed my pants, and there was a fish in the pocket, and it was dead and smelly, and it was not cool. Oh, lost it. I had one though. Just for a second. I got one on there. He's just not, I don't think he's hooked. I think he's just eating on the worm. Yeah, I just let go. Yeah, he wouldn't bite it. He just had it hold of the end of the worm. He was chewing on it. But he wouldn't, I couldn't get him to get to the hook. Oh, and the hook's off too. Huh. Not get a hold of a leaf, I'd be alright. Oh, come on, man. Come on. What are we going here? Oh my gosh, it's just getting worse. Ouch. Avoid the leaf. Oh, that was a little too far. Please don't. Oh, he's sitting there bragging on you. Oh no, this might be good. It might be gone. Son of a. There we go. Thank you, 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 wherever you live. No, thank you. Get it, get it. There you go. Yeah, what's up? Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh, we threw that worm. Hey man, you made me lose my worm. Alright, look at you! What's up, dude? Make sure you ain't wanna go crazy when I stick my thumb in there. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, number 2. Yeah, a little bigger. Thanks for losing my worm. Yeah. So we can see him, make sure, and we'll go high, low. Alright, man. There you go. We'll be nicer with you than I was a little one. Alright. There you go, my man. There you are. See you later. pissing my worm right off.
I think the more of my face I cover, the better I look. Okay. So today we caught 2 fish. Okay. Today we caught 2 fish. That's pretty cool. That's, I think, more than what I've caught in most of my videos, or I've caught at least 2. 2 fish today. Came to my little spot that I like to go to. Instead of doing the main area that I like to do, I went back up into the creek, figured we could get out of the wind. 25 to 40 mile an hour today. No lake, not going to any big ponds, no boat, just look for a little creek. Found a little creek. I wasn't really sure if I could get anything, but I got a little bass, then I got another one that was halfway decent, so good day. Good day. Anyways, we are gonna close this out. I just wanted to show you that I could drive. Whoa, and talk like a real YouTuber, but I am not doing very well. It's gotta be. All right, you guys. I went home and took a nap. I was like, should I go back and fish some more? It's about 4:30. I was going through my bag, and I was like, wait a second. I'm missing something here. I'm missing both of my tackle boxes that I had this morning. I left them at the stupid river. We're gonna go see if they're still here. What do you think? The good thing is it's kind of quiet around here and nobody's ever here. So with any luck. Uh-oh, I think I see them. I think I see them. I am very, very lucky. I left here about 1 o'clock, 1:30, and it's now about 4:30. I'm gonna get in the car, move down a little bit, and do some more fishing.
There we go, got one. Oh yeah, what's up? There we go, got yourself a little bass on a little minnow. Oh man, you really swallow it. Sorry, little fishy. Boy, you hammered that thing, didn't you? There we go. I can get it off, I just can't get it out. You want to come off? That's for sure. There we go, I got you. You're a cute little dude, huh? Alright, man, sorry about that. Takes so long. Here you go. Yeah, you're gone. Alright. A little minnow works. So the lesson today is you can always catch fish on worms and minnows, even if they're plastic. Got another one. Got another one. Alright, look at that. Another little bitty sucker. Sweet. That's 2 on the little minnow. Alright, calm your booty down, fishy. Oh, you're off. You are off. You ain't doing yourself no favors here, brother. Alright.